Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of a Alma Nano bracelet that I purchased from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so lately I've been into a lot of bracelets. Today I will be unboxing my Louis Vuitton bracelet. And so here's the little box. I always love the way they put these little bows on the boxes, and I never know how to put them back on there, but anyway, so it comes in this little pouch, and I really wanted a different bracelet, but they didn't have it in my size. And the sizes with Louis Vuitton are relatively specific. I believe it goes from a 17 to a 19. So this bracelet, it seems really tiny, and but I did try it on. But it's the Alma purse Louis Vuitton bracelet, and this one retails for $345. So I really like this one because it has the little purse, and I don't own this purse. It's the Alma Nano, but I really do love purses, so I thought it would be cute just to have a purse bracelet. This is the one that I chose, and it has Louis Vuitton here on the two bands, and it just clips together like that. So it just has that little clasp right there, and it just kind of hooks in there. And like I said, it's really small. It's a size 17, and on the inside it has Louis Vuitton, and it has made in Spain, and the size and the serial number. And this is also the monogram design. So it's the brown, and it kind of has like, the leather is kind of crinkly. And so I'll go ahead and see if I can put it on myself. I always struggle to put bracelets on, but we'll see. It just kind of goes on the wrist like that. I got the 17 because the 19 was way too big, but as you can see, the 17 is pretty snug as well. But I just thought it was really cute. Beautiful bracelet. So it's an awesome addition to my bracelet collection. I really like that it's very subtle, not this intrusive thing on my wrist. I feel like I could wear it with casual wear, but I can also wear it when I dress up, and I just really am happy with it. I like the little purse. And so yeah, like I said, this retails for $345, and I did buy at Louis Vuitton. It's authentic, and I really like it. To me, it's more affordable. Like that Cartier bracelet, if I had gotten that, we're looking at $6,000, and so Louis Vuitton is a little bit more affordable. Like I said, not at your low end, but definitely at a price point that I felt like I could purchase this and add it to my collection and, you know, wear it every day. I don't see myself wearing it in the shower or anything like that. I didn't read anything about that I couldn't, but I definitely would not wear it to shower or swim or anything like that. I would definitely take it off. But you know, this is a size 17 and it fits really snug on my wrist. My Cartier bracelet was also, I believe, a 16, and that was very snug on my wrist as well. And I'll put a card here for that video if you want to kind of see the sizing. But I think from retailer or from brand to brand, it may vary as far as like the size of the bracelets that they carry. But the Cartier bracelet fits me very snug here, and it's a size 16, and this is a size 17, and I can still move it. The gold Cartier bracelet is, I believe, 18 or 19. I can't remember. Like I said, I'll insert the card here if you want to see the difference. But that one fits me fairly loose. It actually comes down to here when I just have it on. And this, I'm sure, will stay snug on my wrist. So yeah, I feel like the leather might stretch a little bit, but I doubt that it will stretch a whole lot. So that is my unboxing of the Alma Nano Louis Vuitton bracelet. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.